I'm Dave. We're very excited to be bringing you our very first Kickstarter project, the OneQ Bluetooth sound system. As you know, there are plenty of plastic sound accessories on the market today, most of them with a disappointingly short life. We've decided to take a very different approach. To combine clean, classic design with the natural look and acoustic properties of wood that delivers the very most natural sound to the world of mobile devices. The OneQ has a 30-foot range, over 10 hours of battery life, and 6.5 watts of power. It's very easy to use, and you can really take it anywhere, from the office to the backyard, or simply from room to room. We've come up with a list of attractive pledge incentives for you, and with your help, the OneQ will ship well before the holidays. Thanks in advance for your support.